The Xiaomi 12 Pro is a flagship Android smartphone that was released in December 2021. It has a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, which is one of the most advanced processors in the market. It has three variants of storage and RAM: 128GB, 8GB, 256GB, 8GB, and 256GB, 12GB. It does not have a micro SD card slot. The Xiaomi 12 Pro has a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of three 50-megapixel sensors, a wide angle, a telephoto, and an ultra-wide angle. It also has a 32-megapixel selfie camera on the front. The cameras support various features such as dual LED flash, HDR, panorama, 8K video recording, Euro ICE, and Xiaomi Pro Focus AI tracking technology. The Xiaomi 12 Pro also has a fingerprint scanner under the display, an infrared port, NFC, stereo speakers tuned by Harman Kardon, and a virtual proximity sensor. The Xiaomi 12 Pro has a 4600 mAh battery that supports 120W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, and 10W reverse wireless charging. It can charge from 0 to 100% in 18 minutes with the wired charger, and in 42 minutes with the wireless charger. It runs on Android 12 with MIUI 13 as the user interface. It comes in 4 colors: gray, blue, purple, and green. Swift and expert screen replacement for Xiaomi 12 Pro by Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Are you in need of a screen replacement for your Xiaomi 12 Pro? Look no further than Sydney CBD Repair Centre. With their extensive experience and a team of skilled technicians, they offer seamless screen replacements for Xiaomi 12 Pro devices. This article will delve into the process of screen replacement by Sydney CBD Repair Centre, the importance of using genuine parts, quick turnaround time, and the assurance of continued functionality for fingerprint scanners and Face ID. With over 1,700 positive Google reviews, Sydney CBD Repair Centre has established its credibility in the market. How to replace your Xiaomi 12 Pro screen in Sydney CBD. If you have a cracked or broken screen on your Xiaomi 12 Pro, you might be wondering where to get it fixed. You don't want to risk losing your data, your fingerprint scanner, or your Face ID by using a cheap or unreliable service. You want a professional and trustworthy repair center that uses genuine parts and guarantees quality work. That's why you should choose Sydney CBD Repair Centre for your Xiaomi 12 Pro screen replacement. They have been in the business for over 10 years, and they know how to handle any Xiaomi issue. Get it fixed today by Sydney CBD Repair Centre, the best Xiaomi repair service in Sydney. You won't regret it. The screen replacement process. Sydney CBD Repair Centre prides itself on delivering prompt and efficient screen replacement services for Xiaomi 12 Pro. Their skilled technicians follow a well-defined process to ensure consistent quality. 1. Assessment and diagnostic. Upon arrival at Sydney CBD Repair Centre, your Xiaomi 12 Pro will undergo a thorough evaluation to identify any additional damages that might have occurred during the screen's breakage. This ensures a comprehensive repair process that covers all aspects of your device. 2. Genuine parts usage. Sydney CBD Repair Centre understands the importance of using genuine parts for screen replacements. Authentic Xiaomi 12 Pro screens guarantee optimal performance, longevity, and compatibility with your device. By using genuine parts, Sydney CBD Repair Centre ensures that the repaired device meets the original specifications set by Xiaomi. 3. Skilled technicians. The experienced technicians at Sydney CBD Repair Centre have a deep understanding of Xiaomi 12 Pro systems. They possess the necessary expertise to replace screens accurately, minimizing the risk of further damage to your device. 4. Swift turnaround time. Sydney CBD Repair Centre understands the importance of your time and aims to provide a quick turnaround time. With their efficient workflow and expertise, screen replacement for your Xiaomi 12 Pro is typically completed in approximately 1.5 hours. You can trust Sydney CBD Repair Centre to deliver your repaired device back to you swiftly. Assured compatibility. Worried about losing the functioning fingerprint scanner and Face ID after replacing the screen? Put your concerns to rest. Sydney CBD Repair Centre ensures that your Xiaomi 12 Pro's fingerprint scanner and Face ID feature will continue to operate seamlessly with the new screen. Their skilled technicians meticulously handle the transfer of these components while replacing the screen, ensuring a hassle-free experience for you. Credibility of Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Backed by more than 1,700 positive Google reviews, Sydney CBD Repair Centre has a proven track record of providing reliable and high-quality repairs. Customers have consistently praised their excellent service, professionalism, and attention to detail. Rest assured that your Xiaomi 12 Pro screen replacement is in capable hands with Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Operating hours. Sydney CBD Repair Centre values your convenience. They operate from Monday to Friday, between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. Additionally, they are available on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., ensuring that you can visit them without disrupting your routine. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is conveniently located in the heart of Sydney, at Suite 201, Level 2 661st George Street, Haymarket. You can book an appointment online or call them at 02-8011-4119. Also, you can walk in on business days and hours. Also accept mail and repair local and international. When it comes to Xiaomi 12 Pro screen replacements, Sydney CBD Repair Centre stands out for their expertise, the use of genuine parts, swift service, and guaranteed compatibility with fingerprint scanners and Face ID. With a stellar reputation supported by over 1,700 positive Google reviews, Sydney CBD Repair Centre is a reliable choice for all your Xiaomi 12 Pro repair needs. Don't let a broken screen hinder your device's functionality any longer. Trust Sydney CBD Repair Centre to deliver an efficient and seamless screen replacement service. Don't let a broken screen ruin your Xiaomi experience.